I wish all of you a very happy and blessed Republic Day. For today's curry, we decided upon making potato carrots peas curry having OPOS App ID 13507 and 13496. Strangely, the vegetables we chose today bore a close resemblance to our national flag. We needed 1 cup each of potatoes, carrots and peas. As they were to be cut small, I made fine slices of the potatoes and carrots before using the smaller dicer plate of the chopper to cut them to size. Half a teaspoon of salt and coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of chili powder were added and mixed up with the vegetables. 3 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of oil were added to a 2-liter neo, and then the spiced veggies were added and I mixed up all of them. 1/4 cup of caramelized onion was then added atop the veggies, the lid closed and the cooking was started on high with the timer set for 5 minutes. The cooking time was for 5 minutes or 4 whistles, whichever comes first. Switched off when the 4th whistle sounded in 3 minutes and 38 seconds and released the pressure. I opened the lid and mixed up the contents. 1 tablespoon of tadka made from cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida, hing, was added and the contents mixed up further. When I checked them, I found out that all the veggies were undercooked. To cook them further, we added some water, closed the lid and switched on the stove and timer without realizing this error. I had failed to reset the pressure regulator from the pressure release position it had been placed on earlier. My plan was this: allow for the first whistle to sound, allow the pressure to settle and then proceed. However, because of this error, no whistle sounded even after a few minutes of cooking. Only steam was escaping with a hiss continually. Realizing the error I had made, I corrected the weight's position and now, with the stove still switched on, I waited for the whistle to come. When there was no whistle even after 1 more minute, afraid that the veggies may get burnt, I switched off the stove, waited 5 minutes for the pressure to settle and opened the lid. Luckily, there was no charring at the base and all the veggies were well cooked. When we ate this curry with chapatis and rice in the afternoon, my wife, our domestic help and I felt that the curry was salty. We are no experts in cooking but simply learning to cook. In case you have the experience and wish to help us, please share your correctional tips down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.